You were born with 270 bones. By the time you reach adulthood, you have 206. Not because you lost them, but because dozens fused together during childhood, quietly merging into stronger, more efficient structures. Your body was engineering itself the entire time you were growing up. And those 206 bones are far from passive scaffolding. Bone is living tissue. It contains blood vessels, nerves, and cells called osteoblasts and osteoclasts that constantly tear down old material and build new. Your entire skeleton is replaced approximately every 10 years. The bones you are carrying today are not the ones you had a decade ago. But here's what makes that even more remarkable. Bone is one of the strongest materials in the natural world, gram for gram stronger than reinforced concrete. A cubic inch of compact bone can withstand loads of up to 19,000 pounds before fracturing, and yet your entire skeleton weighs only around 15% of your total body weight. The smallest bone in your body is the stapes, deep inside your ear, just 3 millimeters long. It is part of a chain of 3 bones that transmit sound vibrations to your inner ear, and without it, the world would be completely silent to you. And yet, even something so small is still producing something essential. Nearly all of your blood, red cells, white cells, platelets, is manufactured inside your bones, in the soft marrow at their core. Your skeleton is not just your frame, it is your blood factory. Your spine is a marvel of precision, 33 vertebrae stacked and cushioned by discs of cartilage, designed to absorb the shock of every step you take across an entire lifetime. Those discs compress slightly during the day under your weight, which is why you are measurably shorter in the evening than in the morning, by as much as half an inch. And then there is the femur, the thigh bone, the single strongest bone in the human body, capable of supporting roughly 30 times your body weight. It is harder to break than many engineering materials we deliberately design for strength. Every breath, every heartbeat, every thought you have, all of it is housed, protected, and sustained by this extraordinary architecture. A structure so precisely and intricately designed that it can rebuild, adapt, and endure for an entire human lifetime. A quiet, hidden wonder, carrying you through every single moment of your life.